Morning, Sharky. Morning, Cheryl. You hungry? Want some snackies this morning? Oh no, it must be Emilio. Emilio always runs away. Well, Cheryl, sweetie, you can have these if you want. Want some steak today? Yeah, I love you. You're welcome, darling. Some good food today. Where's Sharky today, darling? You get to see Sharky later? You see she's pulling my finger open so she can get the rest of the meat. Just patience, sweetie, patience. Maybe we teach each other patience, both of us. Hang on. You teach me patience, I teach you patience. I love you. I do, I love you.